Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is cellular organization. Students, you know that cell is the basic unit of life. Cell is both the structural and functional unit of all living organisms, either plants or animals. On the basis of presence or absence of nucleus, cells are of two types. One is called prokaryotic cell and the second one is called eukaryotic cell. Pro mean before, karyon mean nucleus. It means that prokaryotic cell doesn't contain organized nucleus. Organized double membrane bounded diploid nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cell. Similarly, membrane bounded cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, etc. They are absent in prokaryotic cell. Example of prokaryotic cell are bacteria and blue-green algae. The second type of cell on the basis of nucleus is eukaryotic cell. Eu mean true, karyon mean nucleus. That means that eukaryotic cell contain true nucleus. Double membrane bounded organized nucleus is present in eukaryotic cell. Cell organelle, mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, etc., they are present in eukaryotic cell. Example of eukaryotic cell, for example, man, frog, mustard, in all plants and animals except then these two, bacteria and blue-green algae. They are included in this eukaryotic. Organism containing prokaryotic cells, they are called prokaryotes. On the other hand, organism containing eukaryotic cells, they are called eukaryotes. Next, cellular organization on the basis of number of cells. There are three categories. The first one is unicellular organization. The second one is colonial organization, and the third one is multicellular organization. So these three categories will be discussed in detail. That is unicellular organization, colonial organization, and multicellular organization. So the first one is unicellular organization. Uni mean one, cellular mean cell. So in unicellular organization, the body of organism consists of single cell. For example, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, bacteria, plasmodium, etc. All these organisms, they are unicellular. It means that their body consists of single cell. ये तमाम ऑर्गेनिज्म इनकी बॉडी एक सेल पर मुश्तमिल है. फॉर एग्जांपल अमीबा है, अमीबा की बॉडी सिंगल सेल पर मुश्तमिल है, लेकिन इसी एक सेल में जितनी भी वाइटल एक्टिविटीज हैं वो सारी वाइटल एक्टिविटीज इसी एक सेल के अंदर परफॉर्म होते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल इसी एक सेल के अंदर अमीबा की इसी एक सेल के अंदर फूड वैक्यूल होता है, कंट्रैक्टाइल वैक्यूल होता है, इसमें रिस्पायरेशन के लिए जो लवाजिमात होते हैं वो होते हैं, ये सारी चीजें। तो इसी एक अमीबा के अंदर प्रोसेस यानी इंजेक्शन ऑफ फूड होता है, डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड होता है, एडिशन ऑफ फूड होता है, रिस्पायरेशन ये करता है, एक्सक्रीशन ये करता है, रिप्रोडक्शन जिसको बाइनरी फिशन कहते हैं, बाइनरी फिशन ये करता है। इसी तरह पैरामीशियम में भी ये सारी प्रोसेसेस वाइटल एक्टिविटीज होते हैं, यूग्लिना में होते हैं, प्लाज्मोडियम में होते हैं, बैक्टीरिया में होते हैं। सो दिस टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन विच द बॉडी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म कंसिस्ट ऑफ सिंगल सेल इज कॉल्ड unicellular organization. The second one is colonial organization. Colonial organization, the type of organization in which unicellular organism combine together and they live in the form of colony is called colonial organization. For example of colonial organization is volvox. Volvox, it is a unicellular green alga. It is in the form of sphere-shaped structure, flagella, chloroplast. This is unicellular volvox. Many volvox combine together and they form small colony. For example, this is a small colony of volvox. इसी तरह एक दूसरा कॉलोनी, तीसरा कॉलोनी, चौथा कॉलोनी वगैरह वगैरह बहुत सारे कॉलोनी इकट्ठे रहते हैं और ये एक जमघट्टा बनाते हैं, ठीक है। एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन विच यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म फॉर्म स्मॉल कॉलोनीज एंड देन स्मॉल कॉलोनीज combine together and they form large colonies. This type of organization is called colonial organization. This is volvox colony. Each volvox colony contains from 500 to 60,000 volvox. यानी इसी एक कॉलोनी में volvox के इसी एक कॉलोनी में 500 से लेकर 6000 तक volvox होते हैं और ये सारे volvox ये सिर्फ इकट्ठे जमघट्टे की शक्ल में रहते हैं, कॉलोनी बनाते हैं, लेकिन ये एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड नहीं होते। इनके जो वाइटल एक्टिविटी है होते हैं, हर एक का अपना अपना प्रोसेस होता है। इनका जो डाइजेशन होता है, इंजेक्शन होता है, रिस्पायरेशन होता है, रिप्रोडक्शन होता है वगैरह वगैरह, उनके सारे लाइफ की जो वाइटल एक्टिविटीज होते हैं वो एक दूसरे से इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं। लेकिन ये जमघट्टे की शक्ल में इकट्ठे ग्रुप की शक्ल में रहते हैं और volvox ये कॉलोनी बनाते हैं। इस किस्म के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जिसमें यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म कॉलोनी की शक्ल में रहते हैं, इसको कहते हैं colonial organization. And the best example of colonial organization is volvox. It means that volvox live together in the form of colony. Their colonies are present on the surface of stagnant water. इनके जो colonies होते हैं जहाँ पर stagnant water होता है, खड़ा पानी होता है, उनके ऊपर इनकी छोटी छोटी कॉलोनियां तैरते रहते हैं और इनकी क्लोरोप्लास्ट की वजह से, ग्रीनरी की वजह से पानी का शक्ल भी ग्रीन होता है। So this was about colonial organization. The third one is multicellular organization. Multi mean many, cellular mean cell. So as the name indicates, multicellular organization is that organization in which the body of organism consists of many cells, large number of cells. For example, man, frog, mustard, etc., etc. In these organisms, cells combine together and they form tissue. Tissue combine together and they form organs. Organs combine together and they form organ system. Organ system combine together and they form organism. Cell form tissue, tissue form organ, organ form organ system form organism. Example: male, frog, and mustard. It means that in these organisms, cells, large number of cells, they form a complex structure in the form of organism body. In this multicellular organization, we will discuss frog and mustard in detail. Example of multicellular organization is mustard. Sarson. Its botanical or scientific name is Brassica campestris. Brassica is the generic name and campestris is the species name. Brassica campestris. It is the botanical or scientific name of mustard plant. Mustard plant, it is the best example of multicellular organization. It means that in the plant body of mustard, large number of cells, they combine together. First of all, cell form tissue, tissue combine together form organ, organ combine together form organ system, and then different type of organ system form the whole plant body of mustard. Mustard plant, its plant body can be divided into two portions. The first one is vegetative parts, and the second one is reproductive part. In the plant body, root, stem, branch, and leaves. These things, they form vegetative parts. Root, stem, branches, and leaves, they form the vegetative part of Brassica plant. On the other hand, flower form the reproductive part. It means that these portions, root, stem, branch, leaves, they are responsible, they constitute the vegetative part of the mustard plant. On the other hand, flower is responsible for reproduction of the plant. Mustard plant, it is the example of multicellular organization. It is used, its leaves, its branches, they are used as a vegetable, and its seeds are used for the extraction of oil, mustard oil. So this was about the multicellular organization. Example of multicellular organization, that is mustard or Brassica campestris. The second example of multicellular organization is frog. Frog, it belongs to class Amphibia. It means that frog live in water as well as on land. The scientific or zoological name of frog is Rana tigrina. Rana is the generic name and tigrina is the species name. In frog, large number of cells constitute the body of frog. It means that cells combine together, they form tissue, tissue form organ, organ form organ system, and organ system form the whole organism. These are the various organs of frog. Externally, for example, these are four limbs. These are the hind limbs, अगली टांगे, पिछली टांगे. These are the bulging eyes. This is mouth or buccal cavity. This is the slippery skin. These are external organ. Similarly, internal organ, kidneys, lungs, intestine, stomach, pancreas, all these organs, they are formed from cells, and this is the whole body of rock, and this is the example of multicellular organization. Thank you for watching.